I think this may be the house with the best style north of Indiana University's campus. Let's take a look. This house presents like a gallery. It's very high design. This house is on over an acre and there are 4 deck systems for outdoor entertaining. Avoid messy kitchens with a scullery. It's perfect for your small appliances. Enjoy the views from this kitchen with a waterfall, island, additional storage, induction, cooktop, double ovens, and an enormous amount of storage that was custom built for the space. Great artistic design in this home that has an upper level suite plus a main level suite. There are 5 bedrooms total and 3 full baths and 2 powder rooms. The main level suite feeds right into the spa bath. The walkout lower level has this really fantastic kitchenette, plus there's a recreation room, bedroom space, and some surprises. One of the lower level surprises is this pet wash, and it has outside access. The recreation area has a fireplace in the lower level. There are 2 other bedrooms, plus the media space. Walk outside to your spa area with a sauna and a plunging tub. Thanks for touring this beautiful Blue Ridge Estates at home, some of Bloomington's best mid-century design. I'm Jeff Franklin, Etsy Tucker, jeffsells.com.